Are you tired of your pants like this, you guys? Waist looking big, it doesn't even fit. Well, today's video, I'm showing you guys how to go from this to this. But in order to see the full result, keep on watching the video. So for this, you'll need some safety pins, a seam ripper, which I didn't end up using anyways, a marker, mine is a disappearing marker, and you will need scissors, and most importantly, you'll need some elastic. So the first thing that I'm going to do is unbutton the pants, and you want to make sure that you are starting on the inside of the pants and not the outside, and you guys will see why. This step, you can skip this step if you guys don't have this, but I'm just going to take the sides of this Levi's label and I'm going to cut it on the side so that way the elastic is able to go through the pants and not be stopped by the seams. Okay, now we are able to fully go through the sides of the label. So now we're going to take our marker and we're going to make 3 marks. So one on the far side of the pants, one in the middle, and one on the opposite side. These darts that I'm making, you're going to end up cutting it, but make sure that you guys cut through the top part and not through the bottom part. I'm about to show you guys what I mean. So you see where the line is? I'm going to make sure that I'm cutting here and not at the bottom because we don't want it to actually lift up. So I'm just going to make my lines and you guys will be able to see what I'm going to do. It's kind of hard for me to explain, so hopefully it makes sense as you guys are watching it. Okay, now that we have our cutouts, I'm just putting a safety pin through my elastic band and I'm just going to feed it through the jeans. This part is like super hard for me to explain, but basically you're just going to be feeding it through. You guys can see I'm kind of scrunching it, then pulling it and scratching it and pulling it. And I'm going to do this the whole entire way down. I'm pretty sure you guys can see what I'm doing, but yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but it's super, super easy and it's super, super worth it. Alright, you guys, once we have everything pulled all the way through, well, this one's just pulled through the middle, but I'm going to safety pin the elastic to the pants, if that makes sense, but make sure that I'm kind of going in and out so that way it doesn't unhook. And once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and feed it through to the very end. And once I do that, I'm going to do the same exact thing, but a little bit different. You guys are going to see in a little bit, I'm pulling it through. And once I pull it through, I'm going to pull it even more to my desired scrunch. So that way, the shorter the elastic is, the more that the pants will actually scrunch. Once I do that, before cutting the end, I'm going to safety pin the other side just as I did the opposite side, and basically we're done, you guys. Now my pants fit my waist. I'm looking super cute, you guys, and my pants fit. So this was a super easy way to do this. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Same thing before phone call.